女生歧視亞裔人，連海嘯都鬧。美國加州大學洛杉磯分校 UCLA 有26,000個大學生，其中37%係亞裔。政治係白人女生華萊斯最近拍片放上 YouTube， 鬧啲亞裔學生喺圖書館講手機。
Over here from somewhere. Oh, Ching Chong Ling Long Ting Tong. Oh. So being the polite, nice American girl that my mama raised me to be, I kind of just gave him what anybody else would do, that kind of like, you know, it's a library, like we're trying to study, thanks. And then it's the same thing 5 minutes later, but it's somebody else, you know. I swear they're going through their whole families, just checking on everybody from the tsunami thing. I mean, I know, okay, that sounds horrible. Like, I feel bad for all the people affected by the tsunami. But if you're going to go call your address book, like, you might as well go outside, because if something is wrong, you might really freak out if you're in the library and everybody's quiet. Like, you seriously should go outside if you're going to do that.
華萊斯又指責亞裔生冇 manner。
All the Asian people that live in all the apartments around me, their moms and their brothers and their sisters and their grandmas and their grandpas and their cousins and everybody that they know that they brought along from Asia with them comes here on the weekends to do their laundry, buy their groceries, and cook their food for the week. If you're going to come to UCLA, then use American manners.
俾網民狂插兼起底嘅華萊斯，被指嚴重歧視亞裔人，同對日本海嘯災民不敬，甚至有人向佢發出死亡恐嚇，連 UCLA 校長都批評佢可恥，仲話要查佢有冇犯校規。華萊斯已經認需向全校道歉，但仲未平息眾怒，有人要求 UCLA 趕佢出校。